Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just a short teaser video for the upcoming one. I just picked up the car from the mechanic an hour ago and everything worked out pretty fine. The car was repaired within 10 days, which was faster than I expected. It only cost 1,000 euros, which was a lot less than expected and way less than the first estimate that I got with 2,000 euros from another mechanic. So I'm pretty happy about that because I saved a lot of money. Unfortunately, I can't show you the car from underneath right now because I don't have the car jack with me. So that's the topic of the upcoming video. But I have a few spare parts that were changed right now. So here you can see the spring, one of them. The second one is here, which is even in worse condition. But I've showed you the car from underneath in the previous video, so you know how the car looked before. And here I have the gearbox that I had changed now. I ordered one a few weeks ago from Poland, which was reconditioned. So before taking this one apart, I had the new one installed. This one I will take with me to Poland as soon as I go there, and I will have it reconditioned, because throwing it away would be just a waste of spare parts anyway. And as I've said, this is just a short teaser video, so I'm going to stop right now. Stay tuned for the video in detail. I'm going to show you the car from underneath, because a before and after video is always interesting. So there's going to be something to talk about. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below, hit that notification bell to get notifications whenever there's a new video. And thank you again for your time, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.